Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products for your needs. Today, we're talking about the Miaowoof Silicone Popsicle Molds for toddlers, which we believe are the best infant popsicle molds out there. These molds are perfect for parents who want to make fun, healthy, and safe treats for their little ones. When it comes to feeding our toddlers, we always want to ensure that what they're eating is not only healthy but also safe. The Miaowoof Popsicle Molds are made from premium, non-BPA silicone, meaning they're completely safe for your child. This material ensures there are no harmful chemicals leaking into the popsicles. So, whether you're freezing fruit juice, yogurt, or even healthy veggie blends, you can rest assured that the mold is safe for your child to enjoy. The design of these molds is specifically crafted to be toddler-friendly. The soft silicone makes it easy for little hands to pull out their homemade popsicles without creating a mess. This is great because toddlers love fun and interactive snacks, and these molds make it easy for them to hold and enjoy their frozen treats all on their own. Another great feature of the Miaowoof Popsicle Molds is the set of 6 colorful reusable sticks. These sticks not only add a vibrant touch but also help in keeping the popsicles from dripping, making snack time a bit cleaner for parents. The drip tray is also a nice touch, helping to catch any mess that might occur, keeping everything neat. These molds aren't just about fun colors and safe materials, they're also about convenience. Miaowoof Popsicle Molds are incredibly easy to clean. Just toss them in the dishwasher after use, and you're done. No more spending extra time scrubbing. Plus, they're designed for easy removal of popsicles, meaning you won't struggle to get them out, saving you time and effort. The size of each cavity is perfect for toddlers, holding around 2 to 3 ounces of liquid. This means you can create perfectly portioned popsicles that are just the right size for little ones. It's a great way to introduce healthy snacks like fruits, purees, or even smoothies in a fun and enjoyable way. The Miaowoof molds are also highly versatile. Not only can you use them for traditional ice pops, but you can also experiment with other frozen treats such as homemade popsicles with healthy ingredients. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's in your child's treat, whether it's a refreshing fruit popsicle or a creamy yogurt-based one. In conclusion, the Miaowoof Silicone Popsicle Molds for toddlers are an excellent choice for any parent looking for a safe, fun, and practical solution to making homemade popsicles. From the non-toxic, BPA-free silicone to the easy-to-use design, these molds check all the boxes. Plus, with the included reusable sticks and drip tray, you can make snack time more fun and mess-free. If you're looking to make your toddler's snack time both healthier and more enjoyable, these molds are definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and helpful tips.